This is a 1998 Honda Rebel, and it's a bike I'll probably keep forever. First things first, this is the definition of a beginner's bike. That was Honda's entire plan. The plan was to get new riders on a motorcycle that was easy to drive, easy to maneuver, and had that classic cruiser look.
Look at my watch, it was 9:31, so I called my baby, said let's have some fun, and we rode. Riding on the rebel. We were riding on the rebel, rolling from the break of dawn.
The new Honda Rebel. Everything you ever wanted in your first motorcycle, only $12.98.
And we rode. Riding on the rebel. We were riding on the rebel, rolling from the break of dawn.
This 1998 Honda Rebel has a 250cc parallel twin. It's putting out around 2,218.5 ducks. Oh yeah, 1 horsepower equals 127.5 ducks. We're talking mallard ducks, like Jimmy Neutron's dad collecting mallard ducks. None of them pond geese. We're talking mallard ducks. But you probably already knew that. Don't worry about horsepower or torque. The power comes in a flat band, no sudden rush of power or anything. It's an adequate amount to just get you moving. The speedometer has numbers on it above certain speeds to indicate what gear you should be in. It's really helpful for new riders. Weighing only 300 pounds, the Rebel is super light and has a low center of gravity. You can easily go on roll roads, gravel roads, and of course normal streets with confidence. So here we are on Craigslist. We'll go ahead to motorcycles, include nearby areas, which will always change it. We want Honda Rebel 250. And right off the bat, we got 13 results around here. Now it is the middle to end of summer. It's around August, so there's a good amount of riding left. So the prices are kind of high right now. If you wait till fall, the prices drop. The one we used in the video, I only paid $1,000 for. That was a year ago, and actually a year and a half ago. And they made them forever, so you can see there's an 86 here, and whenever you look at the 86, looks exactly like a 2008, and the mechanics are pretty much spot on. Still carbureted. Still everything like that. It's pretty much the same exact bike. They didn't change the bike very much throughout the years. Will I buy another bike after this one? Yes. It's not going to be your only bike. Nor should it be. But will I get rid of it? No. No matter how many bikes I buy, it'll always stay in the fleet. But if you're a beginner, there's no better place to start than the Rebel 250.